Welcome to Agrodust Industrial vacuum cleaners, fast becoming a respected name in the agricultural Netherlands and in countries around the world, including Canada, Denmark and Germany. Our machines are sold to farms as well as to factories, schools, trading facilities, construction sites and sporting halls. Quite simply, a fantastic machine. We confidently live up to our slogan, the cleanest, the quickest and the best. Our Teflon-coated filter never stops working, is dependable and long-lasting. The handy knocker mechanism keeps the filter clean and ready for use. The large dustpan is easy to empty. Just lift the lever with your foot. Experience for yourself our superior quality, long-lasting products, trouble-free services and most importantly, your money for the best value product.